Hello my friends, now we will learn how to enter Windows 10 safe mode. Simply guys, to enter the Windows 10 safe mode, go to run by type in the search bar run, then enter. OK. In the run text box, type msconfig, then enter. OK. In the boot tab, go to safe mode and check it. Check the box safe boot. OK. Then click apply, then OK. OK. Now restart your computer or Windows. Restart. Wait a moment. Now the Windows will restart it into safe mode. OK, restarting. The Windows now entering in the safe mode state. As you can see, okay, as you can see now we are in the safe mode state for Windows 10. Safe mode state in the Windows 10. Safe mode. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.